This could be difficult for Theresa May, then, if she hasn't got something that will reassure these Brexiteers who are clearly not minded to like her plan.
Yeah, I mean, we've been characterising it as sort of her impossible Brexit trinity. She's got three agents to please. She's got, obviously, the Brexiteer ministers, the sort of consensus within the Commons, and also the EU. And in reality, she'll only be able to choose 2 out of 3 parties. And it seems as if the most sterling positive outcome here is if one were to sort of see this alignment, as closest of alignment with the EU, one that sort of manages to get a Brexit within the Commons, but may actually not appease the Brexiteer ministers. And in actual fact, I think one of the mottos that we've been saying, I think what matters for financial markets is the type of Brexit delivered, not who delivers Brexit. And so,
markets, is the pound still looking for something softish?
It is. I think that's embedded in here. I think one thing that we have to sort of assume here, there is a smooth Brexit transition implied into all the assumptions surrounding the sterling, not least Bank of England policy. And if one is sort of seeing higher UK interest rates driving the pound, then that would imply, in effect, a smooth Brexit transition.
Yeah, and yesterday we got a fabulous example of the 2 pushes and pulls, if you like, on the pound, didn't we? Yeah. So we've got this chart here, shows yesterday's trading session. It pushed up, the green circle, it pushed up on Mark Carney, the Bank of England governor's comments, positive comments about the UK economy, almost sounding a little more hawkish. And then it was dropped down again by the realities of Brexit and the German reaction to the latest Brexit plans. This is the push and pull, isn't it?
Exactly. You've got a positive Bank of England story, you've got a negative Brexit story. The Brexit story is kind of weighing here. Look, if this was a pure interest rate story, if this was a pure Bank of England story, cable will be trading at 136 based on our estimates. So there is an element of discount here. There's an element of uncertainty. We've seen this before. We've seen sort of Brexit talks going into extra time, to say the least. But if there is a last-minute winner, then one could potentially see sterling a big sort of relief rally here. So we're still looking for that. That's our base case. That's our house view. That sterling potentially sees a 140 handle by year end against the dollar, but it is all contingent on what happens over the next couple of weeks.
That assumes a sort of soft Brexit.
Exactly.
OK.